Moving on to economy, according to recent official data, inflation in the United Kingdom surged to a 6-month high in October, exceeding the target set by the Bank of England. The Office for National Statistics reported that higher domestic energy bills pushed consumer price inflation up to 2.3% in October, compared to a 3-year low of 1.7% in the previous month. Persistent inflation in the service sector, which makes up about 80% of the British economy, also contributed to the increase. This unexpected rise in inflation pushed the rate to above the Bank of England's target of 2%. Iraq's fuel oil exports are set to reach record highs in 2024, surpassing 18 million metric tons, driven by increased shipments in October. The surge comes as domestic demand eases and production rises, supporting Iraq's oil revenues despite stagnant crude exports due to the OPEC Plus production caps. The boost in fuel oil exports, primarily high sulfur and straight-run types, will help ease elevated prices in Asia and lower refinery feedstock costs. October alone saw a record 2.15 million metric tons exported, with major destinations including Singapore and India. World stocks have a mixed performance as investors worry over escalating tensions between Russia and Ukraine. In the United States, early trading, the future for S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average were up 0.3%. In Europe, Britain's FTSE 100 rose 0.1%, Germany's DAX added 0.6%, while the CAC 40 in Paris traded 0.5% higher. In Asia, the Nikkei 225 slipped 0.2%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng edged 0.2% higher. The Shanghai Composite gained 0.7%, and South Korea's Kospi added 0.4%. Oil prices were stable. Brent crude futures for January were up to $73.42 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures were flat at $69.39 per barrel.